This podcast is published solely based off the interests of Jacko Law Group, PC, and in no way be construed as legal advice. The opinions shared reflect those of the authors and not necessarily the views of Jacko Law Group, PC. For more specific information or recent industry developments or situations, you should seek legal opinion or counsel. You are hereby notified that any review, dissemination, or copying of this message and its attachments, if any, is strictly prohibited. These materials may be considered attorney advertising in some jurisdictions.
Welcome to Jacko Law Group's Securities Law Regulatory Compliance Podcast. I'm Michelle Jacko, Managing Partner and CEO at Jacko Law Group PC. We created this podcast to break down complex securities law regulatory compliance matters for business owners and professionals like you. Today, I'll be discussing the items of concern to the SEC during a regulatory examination. These include your firm's policies and procedures, as well as an evaluation of your compliance program's internal controls and employee training program. At Jacko Law Group, we provide counsel to firms in preparation for their upcoming SEC exams. Over the years, we've found that staying updated on evolving regulations which govern the financial markets is a foundational practice for SEC examination prep. Once the foundation is set, it's time to evaluate your firm's policies and procedure manuals. Prior to or during their visit, the SEC will ask for copies of your policies and procedures manual to determine whether or not you're actually complying with what you said you're going to do within the manual. They will also take a look at your training program and whether employees are adequately trained in compliance functions at your organization. Other documents that the staff is likely to request include marketing communications, the firm's annual review report, list of repeat or minor violations revealed by the firm during the examination period, and any actions taken to address such violations. After taking all of these factors into account, the SEC will assess the firm's compliance program as a whole. After document review, staff will want to also conduct interviews while on site. In fact, a key part of this process is the employee interview. To prepare, senior members should be able to speak on the firm's policies and procedures. For best results, designated employees should be the most knowledgeable person in the firm regarding applicable policies, procedures, documentation, reports, and tests for internal controls. While preparing your employees for SEC interviews, consider these questions. Have all employees reported outside business activities to compliance and followed through? Have you conducted periodic compliance training sessions to keep pace with the ever-changing regulations? Overall, these key interview employees should speak to the strength and accuracy of the compliance program, their ability to speak to the requirements in how the firm has established its methods, including education and training of firm employees. With such a fluid and transformative market, regulations and expectations tend to change year by year, meaning employee training should evolve as well. During an exam, staff is assessing whether you're not only training your employees on regulatory compliance, but also that your team is knowledgeable about their jobs, the compliance program, and their fiduciary responsibilities. In short, SEC examiners want to determine how your firm handles compliance at all levels. Many firms and advisors stay ahead of the curve by conducting a mock SEC exam, as this is great for building confidence, lowering stress levels, and providing an understanding of what to expect and how to navigate the exam process. Whether you need an outside counsel to guide you through the exam preparations or a mock SEC exam to stay ahead of the curve, the team at Jacko Law Group is committed to keeping our clients compliant with the evolving securities landscape. To find out more and to speak with our team, we invite you to contact us at 619-298-2880 or visit us online at jackolg.com. Thanks for listening. We hope you have a great day.